Hello everyone, welcome back to my course. Last time, we learned the meaning and the origin of the name Yunnan. But what makes Yunnan attractive? Today, I will show Yunnan to you based on an English word, attract. Yes, this word not only implies the charm of Yunnan, but also the best way to outline Yunnan clearly. Let me tell you how. Please notice the spelling of this word. A-T-T-R-A-C-T. These 7 letters stand for the 7 significant parts of Yunnan. Let's figure them out one by one. The first letter, A, stands for Administrative Division of Yunnan. The second letter, T, stands for Topography of Yunnan. The third letter, T, stands for Transportation of Yunnan. The fourth letter, R, stands for Reserves in Yunnan. The fifth letter, A, stands for Abundant Resources of Yunnan. The sixth letter, C, stands for Climate in Yunnan. The last letter, T, stands for Tourism of Yunnan. Quite easy, right? Now, let's begin from the first letter, A, Administrative Divisions. In total, there are 16 provincial administrative divisions in Yunnan, including 8 cities and 8 autonomous prefectures of ethnic peoples. The 8 cities directly under the control of the provincial government are Kunming, Qujing, Yuxi, Zhaotong, Baoshan, Lijiang, Simao, and Lincang. The 8 autonomous prefectures of ethnic groups include Xishuangbanna Dai Autonomous Prefecture, Dehong Dai and Jingpo Autonomous Prefecture, Nujiang Lisu Autonomous Prefecture, Dali Bai Autonomous Prefecture, Diqing Tibetan Autonomous Prefecture, Honghe Hani and Yi Autonomous Prefecture, Wenshan Zhuang and Miao Autonomous Prefecture, and Chuxiongyi Autonomous Prefecture. Moreover, these cities and prefectures are subdivided into 129 counties, or county-level administrative regions. Now, let's talk about the second letter, T. Topography of Yunnan. Topography means features of landform. Situated on the second topographical terrace of China, Yunnan is a typical highland province sloping from the northwest to the southeast. In northwest, Yunnan leans against the Qinghai Tibet Plateau, which is the largest plateau in the world, famously called the roof of the world. Therefore, the landform of Yunnan is high in northwest, where the highest point of the province lies Kawakapo Peak of Meili Snow Mountain, with an elevation of 6,740 meters. The landform of Yunnan gradually slopes down towards the southeast. The lowest point of the province is the confluence of Yuanjiang River and the Nanxi River in Hekou County in southeast, at an elevation of merely 76.4 meters. Therefore, an astonishing altitude gap of 6,663.6 meters exists between the highest point and the lowest point of Yunnan. In Yunnan, mountainous land accounts for 94% of the total area, and flatland or basins only covers 6% of the total area. Consequently, there are many mountain ranges in Yunnan, among which the elevations of 30 mountain peaks are over 2,500 meters. The altitudes of some of the highest mountains even surpass 5,000 meters, such as Meili Snow Mountain, Baimang Snow Mountain, Jade Dragon Snow Mountain, Haba Snow Mountain, and so on. Since Yunnan is located at the place where the Eurasia Plate and Indian Plate meet, the collision of the 2 plates millions of years ago resulted in the frequent movements of the Earth's crust. Consequently, high mountains and deep valleys came into being due to the extrusion of the plates. Besides mountains, Yunnan is abundant in karst formations. Since Yunnan used to be a section of a shallow ancient sea, layers of thick limestone gradually formed due to the effect of sunshine and water. Because of the movements of the Earth's crust, these limestone grounds in the ocean were raised up to form tablelands. Hence, the widespread karst formations throughout the province. Now let's move on to the third letter T, transportation of Yunnan. In the present day, the transportation in Yunnan is very convenient. In terms of aviation, 15 airports have been constructed and put into use in Yunnan. Airports provide convenience for tourists. In terms of water transportation, 2 river systems play important roles: the Jinsha-Yangtze River System and the Lancang-Mekong River System. The former is the longest shipping route in China with a distance of 2,884 kilometers. The latter is an international shipping route connecting China and the countries in Southeast Asia, because the Lancang-Mekong River runs through 6 Asian countries, including China, Burma, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, and Cambodia. The railway network in Yunnan connects the province with inland railways. For example, the Guizhou-Kunming Railway, Chengdu-Kunming Railway, Neijiang-Kunming Railway, and Nanning-Kunming Railways connect Yunnan to the inland railways in the east, north, southeast, respectively. The Kunming-Vietnam Railway is the first railway in Yunnan and was the only one connecting Yunnan and Southeast Asia before liberation. In order to promote the cooperation and communication with Southeast Asia countries, and the Pan-Asia Railway network is under construction now. And Yunnan will be the land traffic hub connecting Southeast Asia and South Asia. On December 28, 2016, the high-speed railway from Kunming to Shanghai was put into use. The high-speed railways effectively promote the convenience of the transportation for tourists. In addition, expressway networks in Yunnan covers the whole province. The construction of an international expressway from Kunming via Laos to Bangkok was finished and put into use in March 2008. The 1,809-kilometer-long expressway offers convenience for land traffic from China to Thailand and other Southeast Asian countries. The fourth letter R stands for reserves in Yunnan. Reserves here refers to the nature reserves for precious plants and wild animals in Yunnan. Based on the diverse topography, Yunnan is rich in land and animal resources. Yunnan is the province with the largest number of nature reserves in China. Up to now, there had been nature reserves here, covering an area of 2.96 million hectares. State-level nature reserves, such as Xishuangbanna, Gaoligong Mountain, Ailao Mountain, Baima Snow Mountain, Nujiang River, Changshan Mountain, and Erhai Lake, etc. Among them, there are 2 human biosphere nature reserves and 4 world-known swamps. Over 85% of rare wild animals and plants in Yunnan are effectively protected in nature reserves. These nature reserves are featured by distinctive biological systems, endangered plants, and wild animals with high value for scientific research and tourism. Among the nature reserves in Yunnan, Gaoligong Mountain in west of Yunnan has been recognized as the World Biosphere Nature Reserve by UNESCO, hence greatly improved the international reputation of nature reserves in Yunnan. Gaoligong Mountain is named by Jingpo people. In Jingpo language, Gaoli is the name for an influential family of Jingpo people. Gong means mountain. As an important ethnic group in West Yunnan, Jingpo people live in the area of this mountain. Therefore, the mountain was named by Jingpo language. Gaoligong Mountain results from the collision of Eurasia Plate and Indian Plate. It is well known for its biological diversity because it is stretching across 5 latitude zones. According to the research in global context so far, it has been proved to be the most typical region to remain the transition from large-scale subtropical forests to tropical forests. Up to now, we finished the explanation to the 4 letters. Next time, I will continue to explain the rest letters to outline Yunnan. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time. 这节课中涉及的相关词汇，同学们请看这里哦。